Another day, another learning, always at your service. Xavier Production. Weight loss is a process that requires a combination of healthy eating habits and regular physical activity. While it's important to remember that 2 weeks is a relatively short amount of time, it is still possible to make significant progress towards your weight loss goals in that time frame. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you lose weight in 2 weeks. Step 1. Determine your daily calorie needs. Before starting any weight loss program, it's important to understand how many calories your body needs each day to maintain its current weight. You can use an online calorie calculator to determine this number based on your age, gender, weight, height, and activity level. To ensure you are in a calorie deficit, you should track your calorie intake using a food diary or app. This can help you make healthier food choices and stay within your daily calorie limit. Step 2. Set a realistic weight loss goal. It's important to set a realistic weight loss goal for 2 weeks. A safe and achievable goal is to lose 1 to 2 pounds per week. Therefore, you can aim to lose 2 to 4 pounds in 2 weeks. The first step in weight loss is to set a realistic goal. Losing 1 to 2 pounds per week is a safe and achievable goal. Losing weight too quickly can be dangerous and lead to health problems. Therefore, it is important to be patient and consistent with your weight loss plan. Step 3. Create a calorie deficit. To lose weight, you need to create a calorie deficit, which means you need to burn more calories than you consume. A healthy calorie deficit is around 500 to 1,000 calories per day. This can be achieved through a combination of diet and exercise. Step 4. Plan your meals. Create a meal plan for the next 2 weeks that includes healthy, whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains. Plan your meals and snacks ahead of time and track your calorie intake to ensure you're staying within your daily calorie goals. A healthy diet is essential for weight loss. You should aim to eat a variety of nutrient-dense foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats. It is also important to limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and high-calorie snacks. Step 5. Increase your physical activity. In addition to reducing your calorie intake, increasing your physical activity is essential for weight loss. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking, jogging, cycling, or swimming, every day. You can also add strength training exercises to build muscle, which helps to boost your metabolism. Exercise is an important part of weight loss. You should aim to do at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. You can also incorporate strength training to build muscle and boost your metabolism. Step 6. Stay hydrated. Drinking water can help you feel full and prevent overeating. You should aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. Step 7. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is important for weight loss. Lack of sleep can disrupt your hormones and metabolism, leading to weight gain. You should aim to get 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Step 8. Manage stress. Stress can lead to overeating and weight gain. It is important to manage your stress levels through activities like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing. In conclusion, weight loss is a journey that requires commitment and patience. By following these steps, you can create a healthy and sustainable weight loss plan. Remember to consult your doctor or a registered dietitian before starting any weight loss program, especially if you have any medical conditions or concerns. Thanks for watching.